Hi guys and welcome back. So today we are doing a peach rosemary jam and I am so excited to bring you along for it. It comes out of this canning book. I have the link down below if you want to grab it for yourself. I have loved absolutely every single recipe that I have done so far in it. I've had it for a couple years, but today is the peach rosemary jam. So in my pot I have 4 cups of coarsely chopped peeled peaches. I did not blanch these. I just peeled them with a vegetable peeler. And then I have all of my pits and skins in a pot. They're going to make syrup or jelly. Haven't decided yet, but we're making the jam today. So 4 cups of peaches, and then I have 3 because I cut one too short. You want 2 4-inch sprigs of rosemary. So just think of that as 2 4-inch sprigs. And then I have 6 tablespoons of pectin. And then I have a teaspoon of lime zest and a 1/4 cup of lime juice. And this was from fresh limes. The recipe said that you could use fresh limes for this. And then, maybe. And then you just want to take a potato masher and mash everything together. And then we're going to bring this up to a boil and let this boil for 1 minute where we can't stir it down. Once we can't stir it down, that's when we start the timer for 1 minute. But just mash everything to where it's uniform. So I will bring you back once it's done. It's 1 minute hard boil. Okay, so I just stirred in 5 cups of sugar. As soon as it does its hard boil for 1 minute, you add in your 5 cups of sugar. I still have the rosemary in there. We're going to let it come back up to a boil for another minute. I hope I said that right. You hard boil it for 1 minute and then add your sugar, bring it back up to a boil for another minute. After that minute, we'll discard our rosemary. Now, some of my sprigs, you'll see little pieces of like right there. That's okay. You can leave that in. It is not going to hurt anything. Just discard the actual sprig. It's fine. Now, I'm going to process mine in half pints and 1/4 pints because I want to use it like the ball canning book shows, which is a glaze and a sauce. So I think it'll be perfect in the 1/4 pints, and then I want to do a half pint if I'm, feeding a bunch of people. But it doesn't have anything over half pint, so you can do half pint and below, but you can't go above to a bigger size jar. But this is, so right here where it's still boiling, this is when we're going to start our timer for 1 minute. I have my jars hot and ready. This will do a 1/4 inch of headspace and 10 minutes in the water bath canner. So I'll bring you back when this is all done. So again, 1/4 inch of headspace when we're filling our jars, and 10 minutes in the water bath canner. So I will see you in a bit. Okay, so here is the finished product. I ended up getting 6 half pints, no, 6 1/4 pints, 2 half pints, and then I have another 5 half pints in the canner. It's a second batch. One thing you want to remember with your jams and jellies is not to double the batch in the same pot. It'll mess it up. But I am super excited about having these on my shelf. I hope you enjoyed this canning video, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.